Today, we're going to break down the 4 main ways to consume cannabis, starting with inhalation. Products like flower and concentrates are inhaled through the mouth and then processed instantly through the lungs before entering the bloodstream. Inhalable delivery methods range from small portable dry pipes to more elaborate water pipes like bongs and bubblers that help filter and cool the smoke. Blunts are ground up cannabis rolled in cigar papers or tobacco leaf, while joints are ground up cannabis rolled in paper. Cannabis inhalers can be used the same way as traditional inhalers and might be the most discreet form of inhalation. These are smokeless, odorless, and have more bioavailability than other delivery methods. Lastly, we have vaporizers. Vapes are devices that heat up cannabis, either in dry flower or concentrate form, enough to transmit its active ingredients like THC or CBD without burning them. Smoking or vaping can be one of the most effective routes of administration because the effects can be felt almost instantly and the user can adjust the dose and timing as needed.